Hello, my friends, Amy D. Cohen. So I hope you're going to join us on this class where I am going to teach you about certain specific plant extracts that target our emotional and mental health and wellness that you can use for your family, your pets. We're going to talk about how to get rid of tantrums in your kids, how to get rid of anger, sibling rivalry, anxiety, all of those things that bother your kids if they can't get to sleep at night. Whatever it is that is in a negative place, I'm going to talk about the plant remedies, the extracts that are very powerful, very safe, very natural, that are going to move your children back to themselves quickly with no side effects. And for you, my parents, we're going to talk about how to get rid of guilt, how to get rid of anger, how to take a breath and have an ah moment. We're going to talk about what it's going to take to give you peace of mind, how to enhance your relationships, what it is that you need to make you feel you're in a zen, to make you feel like you're living in your purpose, and to make you feel joyful and happy about where your life is right now. So come join me, bring your questions. It's interactive. I'm going to show you how to make remedies. It's going to be fun and transformational. That's what I want it to be for you. See you, my friends. Amy D. Cohen.